Back on the duster here. Gonna drop it in. I got the header in place. This one here, the number 7 pipe, goes around the torsion bar there, so you always want to put that header on first before you even drop anything. The shifter lever is there also, so we're gonna have to wiggle that in. All right, let's get this baby in there. Well, I got the headers on, got the exhaust all put up, the distributor is in, coil, water pump, pulley, fuel pump, and the radiator, the fan clutch. This thing barely fits right there. It's not touching, but it fits. And the next thing we got to do is just put the spark plug wires on and fire it up, put the carburetor on, fire it up. Module inside here, just because I wanted to keep it looking like it had points. That's the module that I use. That's a GM performance module. Very easy to install. It's actually pretty good because you don't have the big orange box on there, but you have this inside and it's quickly removed. You just remove that little nut right there and it comes out. And like I said on a previous video, what I did is I went ahead and disconnected the coil from in here and put a wire so I could keep the ballast resistor on there. But it is an electronic ignition distributor. It's going to look like it has points, but it doesn't. Anyway, that's something else I did. These are TTI headers, and it's got 3-inch exhaust all the way back to, well, drop down underneath the right before the rear axle. So anyway, let's get back to work on this thing. Okay, this is where we're at. We had got the carburetor on, fuel pump. I actually went ahead and changed it. I had the stock fuel pump on there. All the wires are done, it's connected, and I took these off, cleaned them up and painted them. Just gotta bolt on the alternator, put a battery on it, and we'll be able to break it in. Hopefully I'll get that done this weekend. Today is Thursday afternoon, just got off work. It's a really nice sunny day today, so I decided to come out here and do some work. That's gonna get thrown in the trash. Nobody wants it. So anyway, this is where we're at on the 71 Duster. Hopefully we'll get it running this weekend. I'll hopefully break the cam in properly. Not that we don't know how to break in cams, but there is break-in oil. There's a lot of lube, a lot of that zinc stuff that it calls for, so it should be fine. All right, thanks for watching this video. We'll have this thing running here in a couple days. Appreciate all of you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can do that. But either way, tell me what you think of this video, of this build. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Be safe. We'll talk to you soon.